Hey folks, I'm Walter. Great question. I get asked this question a lot. Walt, what's a good first cruise? If I really want to try out cruising, where should I go? Well, I can only speak on North America because I live in the States. And for me, I'm going to recommend the Caribbean. And I'm going to tell you to get on the ship for no less than 5 days. If you can do a 7-day cruise, that's the best because to really experience everything that a ship has to offer and to really experience what a cruise has to offer, I really think you need to be on a ship for, 5 to 7 days. And to give you a sense of how cost effective the Caribbean is, here's 3 cruises from Carnival. 6 days on the Carnival Vista for $349, 8 days on the Carnival Magic for $434, and 6 days on the brand new Mardi Gras for $469. We're actually going to be on the Mardi Gras in March. And yes, these are interior cabin, but as you can see, you can get on a ship for 6 to 8 days for under $500 per person. And now for the purposes of cruising, the Caribbean is split into East and West, and then there's the Southern Caribbean, which usually you only get to on longer cruises, like 9 to 14 days. Now, if you look at an Eastern itinerary, we really love St. Martin and we love San Juan. Now, St. Martin has that amazing airport where the planes land right over the beach. And then I love to go see the Yoda guy, one of the guys that actually helped make Yoda for the original Star Wars films. And in San Juan, we love to walk around, try food. It has a lovely port. I get some of my hats in San Juan. So for the Eastern, I'm looking for San Juan and St. Martin on my itineraries. And then on Western itineraries, we like to look for Cozumel and Grand Cayman. Grand Cayman has some wonderful experiences where you can swim with the stingrays out in the open ocean. And Cozumel just has a lot of things that you can do, from just walking around town all the way up to doing adventures. So 2 really good ports to look for on those itineraries. Now, which ship and cruise line should you go for your first cruise? Well, that depends on what kind of person you are. Do you like to be physically active all day, even when you're on the ship? Rope courses, rope climbing, bumper cars, zip lining, flow riders, things like that? Well, then you want a ship that has more activities on it, like Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and Norwegian Cruise Line. Or do you want that ship experience to be a little bit more laid back and chill, hang out by the pools, maybe a mixology class, lots of trivia? Well, then look at Princess, Holland America, and Celebrity. And then if you want to go completely adults only, well, Virgin Voyages is out there now sailing from Miami. We have not sailed it yet. I'll have more information in July after we get a chance to try out the Scarlet Lady, but that ship is adults only. And that's what we say. Go for 5 to 7 nights in the Caribbean and pick a ship and a cruise line that matches what you want that ship experience to be. Now, what about you all? When somebody says they want to go on their first cruise, what advice do you give?